Hello everyone. If subtitles or captions are not appearing on your YouTube videos, this video will show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app and play the video where subtitles are missing. While the video is playing, tap on the screen and make sure the CC Captions icon at the top is turned on. You can also tap the gear icon, select Captions, and confirm that subtitles are enabled. Next, check your YouTube caption settings. Tap on your profile icon, go to Settings, and then select Captions. Make sure Show Captions is turned on. If subtitles are still not showing, try clearing the YouTube app cache. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps, find YouTube, then tap Storage. From there, select Clear Cache. This will not delete your data or account. Also, make sure your YouTube app is up to date. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for YouTube, and install any available updates. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with subtitle loading. In some cases, the issue may be a temporary bug, which usually resolves itself after restarting the app or your device. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.